Hey guys, this is Gaming Artcraft again. Um, please subscribe to the channel. If you like the content that I'm bringing on this channel, please put likes and comments down below. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Okay, so here we go. Now we're moving on to how to change the package name. That's what I was supposed to do before, but I decided to do upgrading the Android source codes because that's very important. Now that we completed upgrading the Android source codes, the next step is how to change the package name. So let's check out the package name. So you got to go into Java, and in Java you will see where it says com.arbria.coppercube player. That's the package name. Okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to change this package name because you cannot put that package name that it says into the Google Play Store. They will decline it. They will ask you for a different package name. So how can you change your package name? Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay? So you ready? Here we go. So in Java, com.arbria.coppercube player, you right click on this. Okay? It's going to say you go into refactors, right? And then you go into rename. I don't recommend all directories, but all directories, most people, they go all directories and they change everything. But I'm just going to do all in current modules. That's what I'm going to do for right now. All in current modules, that's what I'm going to change. So I'm clicking on all current modules. Right here, you're going to see where it says rename directory, Coppercube player, and its usage, scope, project files. I'm just going to change the name. You know what I'm going to put? I'm going to put tutorial. Probably that's better. So I'm just going to put tutorial. I click on refactor, and it's going to take some time changing all the package name into the project. So when you publish your project in the APK and bundle, then once it go into the Google Play Store, they're going to read it as a different package name. It's not going to be the name that you see. Okay? And you're not done yet because there's still more steps on where you need to change the package name at. I'm going to let that finish, and then we're going to go on to the next step. So we got a few more steps to go to change the package name in Coppercube Android source codes. And while we're doing that, and while I'm waiting, let me check the recording to make sure it's recording. Yep, it's still recording. Okay. It's changing it right now. It's almost done. So while it's still updating, just finish updating, you see right here where the package name is changed to com.arbria.tutorial. So this is the new package name. I just leave the middle part. It doesn't really matter, as long as the actual Coppercube player name is changed. So here in Manifest, in Android Manifest, here where it says Android name, this is where you're going to have to change it, because it's going to give you an error and that your app is not going to work. So you just put tutorial, you change it there. Actually, see, it pops up. There you go. So here it says com.arbria.tutorial.coppercube player activities. That's where you have to change the package name, but you're not done yet. Then you have to go into build grade and you have to change it here. So here you're going to see where it says new space. You have to change that too. And this is in build grade module apps. So you change it to tutorial. And then here where it says application ID, you change it again to tutorial. And after that, then you hit sync. And once you hit sync, it'll be completed, changing the whole package name. So now we completed 2 steps into the Android source code. We upgraded the Android source codes and we changing the package name. The next step is changing the name of the game, because now you got to name the game. So once this is complete, I'm going to show you how to name the game. So that's done. All right, now that's complete. Okay, so we finished with upgrading the source codes to target API 36, and we finished with changing the package name. Now we have to go into changing the name of the game. So whatever the name of your game, whatever you're creating, that's where it's going to show up. And then we're going to go into the icons, changing the icons. Okay, so we go into resource and go into values and go into streams XML, and you see here where it says screen name, app name to replace. You're going to go ahead and change that name. We're going to call it tutorial. Okay, so the app name is changed, right? And then now we go back to Android Manifest. Where we're going to actually put the app name. Come on, did I do that right? I think I did that wrong. I don't think I need to change the name and manifest. I think I only need to change the name and only need to change the name and sorry. Only need to change the name in streams XML. So the screen name for the app is tutorials, and I think that's it. So now we completed 3 things. We upgraded the source codes, and we changed the package name. We gave the app a name, so when it publish out, it comes up with a name for the app and all the updates. Next step is putting an icon. Okay, So right now, when you publish your game to APK or bundle, it's not going to show your game icon. This is what it's going to show. So y'all have a clue. You go into mid maps, IC launcher. Excuse me. And then you will see what it shows. That's what your app's going to show. So when you download your app and you put it into your phone and install it on your phone, you're going to see this icon, the standard Android icon. So now you have to create and add the icon into your app. I'm going to show you how to do that too. Okay. So here we go. We go back to Android Manifest. Okay. Let me see. Give me a minute, guys. I totally forgot this one. I forgot this one right quick. I'm trying to figure out how I did it. Sometimes you try to remember everything and it totally blanks out your memory. Because I just did this. Give me a minute, guys. I'm trying to remember. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm sorry. So we go to click on resource and we right click into new and then into image asset. All right, so an image asset is going to say config image asset. What we're going to do is we're going to put the icon picture on here. So you see how it's looking right now. So you go into path. You got to find an image. Let me see what kind of image I'm gonna put. I could put the image from my recent game or one of my other games. It doesn't really matter. This is just a tutorial. Excuse me. It's on my desktop. So give me time to look for it on my desktop. Okay, I'm probably way too back. I gotta go back to the C drive. So go back to the C drive. Nope. Where is it? Users. Users. Here. Why I can't find desktop? Oh, there it is. Desktop. Okay. Now that I found desktop, there's like two icons I can use. So I'm just gonna use the fast racing icon, because I already have the icon. So here we go, putting the fast racing icon, and then you're gonna see how it pops up like this. But you see how the name is cutting off in the edge. So right here, you're gonna go into where it says trim and all that. You hit yes, and then you're gonna resize it. Or hit no and then resize it where it all fits in, when the name fits in and everything. Okay. I think that's good. The name fits in fine. Okay, now that the name fits in fine, next is to go into background layer, because you see right here, you got the green texture for the background instead of the black. So what I'm going to do is go to background layer. I'm going to go into color, right? I'm going to select the color because I want it to be all black. I don't want that green. I'm going to select it to green. Okay, so that's good. Go to foreground. Look at it. It's good to go. Everything's good here. I don't see no issues. I like it. I'm going to hit next. It takes some time. Okay, there you go. It switched it. So everything's going to change in my mid map with the icon. So when I hit finish, everything's going to change into the new icon image, where you're not going to see the Android standard logo, and that's it. So here in Android Manifest, you're going to see where it says Android icon mid-map IC launcher. So now that the name changed and the IC launcher is going to show that, then you could be able to publish the APK. So we just finished a couple of steps. Package name. We upgraded the source codes for Target API 36. We just did the icon and everything. You know, we added the icon, so that's good and everything. And we changed the name of the game. So now we have a name of the game. And then next, all you have to do is click on Build, and you go into Build Bundle, and then Build APK, and then what it's gonna do is gonna build the APK. But we're not done yet. We're nowhere near done. That was just the few steps we have to do. The next step is to add the game into the Android source code, which we haven't done yet. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So here you're gonna see where it says assets. Here, this is where the Coppercube game goes. This is the defaulted Coppercube, where you're just gonna see just the 3D world with that regular square box that every time you open up Coppercube. What you want to do is you want to put your game in there, so when it upload and when you install it into your Android device, it shows up your actual game. You understand? So these source codes are kind of different from glitch velocity source codes. Here it got the CCB file, which is this is the Android source codes from Coppercube for Studio Edition. But if you go and purchase glitch velocity Android source codes, those are different. And I'm going to show you his page where you could purchase the Android source codes and how is that set up with the Admo apps that you add. I might do the tutorial on the Admo apps another time, but as far as this, I'm gonna show you where, and I'm gonna introduce you to glitch velocity page. And hold on. Here we go. So make sure you follow glitch velocity and gaming artcraft, but follow glitch velocity. This is his channel. You see it right here. Here he has the Coppercube Android source codes. You purchase the source codes for $99, and with these source codes you get the updated source codes with the updated upgraded source codes, and also where you can put advertisement into your game. You get the leaderboard for Android, the leaderboard ID, the Android achievements IDs, and all the Android achievements, and the Android keyboards and all that. You get that into your game. So if you want to add all these things into your game, you have to purchase these source codes and all. But this is the upgraded from the Studio Edition. The Studio Edition has Android source codes, but they're kind of outdated. And I just showed you the tutorial on how to update the Android source codes with Studio Edition, but it won't have the add modes. You will have to purchase the glitch velocity if you want to have the add modes. Okay, and I'm going to show you that on another tutorial video. But right now, check out glitch velocity page. Check out gaming artcraft page on itch.io, where we have the latest games. I just put my first game on the Google Play Store, which was designed by Sam Grady. Click on it. So this game was designed by Sam Grady. This is his page. And this is the game that's on the Google Play Store. It's a good game. It's a racing game. I'll show you where you can find it. This is the game that's on the Google Play Store, which has the advertisements. And you see here, it has the game itself. And this is on the Google Play Store. You go back to my channel, you will see the game itself. That's the game itself as you're playing it if you was on your Android device. Okay, and this is the person who designed it. This was a collaboration. I want to thank Sam Grady for assisting me on this collaboration on this game. Make sure you check out his page. He has a lot of things good on his page, and I think you will like it very well. And you know, check out his page, check out Glitch Velocity page, and check out my page and all. But this is the game, and you'll like it. But for right now, I have one more thing to show you, is how to update and put the game on to the source codes. So if you're using glitch velocity source codes, you have to add it on the asset different. But if you're using the Android source codes, then you're using the CBB, which is let me click on it. You have to add the CBB, the default CBB. You will have to add this. But if you're using glitch velocity source codes, I'm gonna show you how you do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of the games. I'm gonna find one on my channel, and let me go find a game on my channel. So this is one of the another games I created on my channel. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a copy on the same page, on the same folder. Nitro Power Race is on my itch.io page. You can play that right now. All right, so I made a copy. So this is the copy of the game that was created. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename it and call it data. But I'm going to remove the CCB, sorry. It says, do you want to change it? Yes. Excuse me. So right now, you're going to see that it changed the icon and changed the program of the game into like a data file. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. I'm gonna just copy it. Okay. Now I gotta go into the Android source codes of what was created, which is here, tutorial Coppercube Android. Go to SRC and go into apps. SRC again. Go into main. Go into assets. And here this is where you're gonna place it. So you're gonna place it here and just remove this if you're using glitch velocity source codes. And that's all you need to do. Put that there, and then it's going to show up in the Android source codes. There. And that's your game. Your whole entire game. Everything that you created on your Coppercube program is all there. So when you hit build an APK, you go ahead and build it out. It's going to build the game. It's not going to come up with no error codes because there's no error codes right now. Everything has the green check mark and all. So this is good to go, and it will publish out the game, and that will be completed in building your game and put it on the Google Play Store. Now, if you want to create the bundle, then you hit build, and then you click generate signed bundle, where you're going to generate a key store for your game, and then it's going to generate the bundle, and then that's what you're going to put into the Google Play Store. Tutorial on building a bundle and putting on a Google Play Store will be another tutorial. So expect the other tutorials on the ad mode and putting your Coppercube Android game on the Google Play Store. Okay, guys, so this is it for the tutorial. Listen, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content that I'm bringing on this channel. Put likes and comments down below, and keep in touch and stay connected to gaming art craft, and we'll see you again next time. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.